Hello everyone, welcome back to Tekno Jenius. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create affiliate content videos like this.
So great, right? It's very easy and only uses one free AI tool, Google Flow. But before we continue, don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss any other interesting videos from us. Okay, the first step is to open Google Flow and log in using your Gmail account. After logging in, we'll create a new project. Here, we'll first create the image. Here, I'll create a product image with a realistic style and a modern shot. Okay, here's the result. You can choose the result you think is good. Then, select the image, click the three dots, and add it to the command. Next, we'll enter a prompt to create a storyboard. The prompt I used is like this. Click Generate and wait for the results. Okay, friends, here it is, the result packaged into a storyboard. Next, we'll create a video based on the storyboard we created. But before that, let's adjust the settings to use the Omni reference model. Adjust the ratio to suit the image. Choose a storyboard you think is good, add it to the command, paste a simple prompt like this, and click Generate. Now, you'll be asked by the agent about how much credit will be deducted. Just click Agree. And here's the result, friends. Okay, friends, there's actually one more way you can create a video based on a storyboard, Seedance 2. Now, I'll show you how to access Seedance 2 for free, namely with Dola AIJs. Okay, let's search for Dola AI on Google, then log in with your email. Okay, I'll create a different product image first. Before that, I want to let you know that Dola AI is almost the same as ChatGPT in that it can create images. However, the advantage is that it can also create videos with Seedance 2. Okay, let's create the image first. Here's the image. We'll download it first and then upload it again as a reference for creating a storyboard as before. Once the storyboard is complete, we can then turn it into a video. The method is the same. Just change from create image to create video. Enter the storyboard and prompt. Click Generate and wait for the results. Okay, here you go.
So that's how you create affiliate content videos using free AI tools. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you in the next one.